I'm just making this video to tell you that there is another way to charge your iPad Air much faster than the basic one that came in the box. So what came in the box is this power brick right over here, power adapter, whatever you want to call it. It's a 20 watts adapter and it charges quite quickly, I would say. But if you want to use the full charging power of your iPad Air, you'll need a 30 watts adapter like this one. This one is from Apple. I got it with my MacBook Air. So if you have one of these laying around, it will charge your iPad, I would say 15% at least faster. For example, with the 30 watts, this one, I was able to charge my iPad Air from 20% to about 90 something percent in about an hour, while charging it from the same percentage with the one that comes in the box took me around an hour and 15 minutes, I would say, or around that time. I know the difference is not huge, but yeah, if you're really tight on time, yeah, let's say you have an hour break time and you really want to maximize the charging time, well, then get one of these. I have put a link in the description if you want to get one on Amazon. And by the way, this one takes a USB Type-C, the same as on with the original one. So you can use the cable that came with your iPad Air. You don't need to buy another one to use a 30 watts charging brick for your iPad Air 5th generation from 2022. So I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching and please leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.